Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a state ornament with a Cricut Maker. For the materials you'll need 1/16 inch basswood, wood glue, jute twine, stain and poly, brushes, a paint pen, a Cricut Maker, and a deep point blade. First, determine the size of the ornament. I also decided to double up to make the ornament more sturdy. Then set the material, which would be 1/16 inch basswood. Once you have that done, cut your basswood to the size you need and stick it to the strong grip mat with some painter's tape. Then cut out the shapes. It will ask if you're happy with the cut, and I ended up doing a couple more cuts to make sure it cut all the way through. Once it's done cutting, take your shapes and glue them together. Let it dry. Then stain it. Let it dry. Then determine where you'd like the heart to go for the city. Draw it on. After that, seal it with poly. Let it dry. Then take a piece of the jute cord and tie it to the top. And that's it! This is such a personable gift, and it was easy to do once the machine was going. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.